So we're crystalling. This is my E6000 Fabrifuge that I use for all my crystalling. It's the best. And we're just gonna put some drops on. This is going slower and more awkward because I've got a camera in my face and I'm kind of backed off from what I'm doing. But generally speaking, this goes very, very fast. You can hear my cat Elro. He's not in love with me doing crystalling. He doesn't like me being in the basement away from him. He's a needy little boy. He's lucky he's cute. Elro. Probably should have got my rhinestones out for that. So this color is called Dark Cyan. And as you can see, my dots of glue are bigger than you would think is necessary for rhinestones. And it looks messy as I do this because I want the glue to come out from around the bottom and form basically like a jewelry setting around it. It's going to cup it and hold it in. If you don't do that, rhinestones have a tendency to pull off their backings, especially if you use like lower quality ones. These are decent quality, but it's a good habit to get into in general, supporting your rhinestone. If the glue's touching the actual crystal part of it, it's not going to pop off. My dude. I used to use E6000, the regular stuff, and it would be such a mess and so slow going. And the fumes, it's really toxic for your health too. So this E6000, it's not only is it not having fumes and it works a lot faster, but it stretches, so it's perfect for spandex costuming. Like you can use it on stretch things and it stretches with it. Oh. I can only barely see where I'm going here. Anyway, this is just a small part of the Reputation bodysuit I've been working on. I'm going to have a full tutorial up on spandexsimplified.com. So if you're interested in seeing it, by all means, go over to that blog and subscribe to, it says it's a newsletter. I don't actually send newsletters, but there is a, what it does is if you sign up for it, it'll send you an email when there's a new post. So this post and the Lover bodysuit are going to be going up in the next few weeks, along with a few other posts that are all related to them, like zippers and bodysuits and underwire if you want that option. But it's going pretty well, so hope you sign up and see how it's done.